I know right here I need this step footing to be exactly 32 inches, right? What is up, guys? I'm going to make a quick video about the Fab Form Level-R brackets system, which is a way to basically set your footings very easily. I think if you do concrete or anything like that, you should have some of these. I have about 7 or 8 of them here, and I'm just going to show you how they work, and you guys can make your own judgment. I think it's pretty genius. So basically what it is almost like an Irwin like door clamp or door leveler, where you put it under the door and you ratchet it up to level out your door, or you can use it for really anything. But these are made specifically for footings, and they're very simple to use. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you how this works. So all I'm really doing here is you set it under your board, and you can screw it in. You can screw 3 screws, or you can do, I'm just doing 1 because I don't really need it to hold much. I just need it to be able to move the board up. So I just set a screw. I'm going to take it out once I'm done leveling this. So I just go ahead and grab another one. It's literally that simple. So I'm just going to usually go a full stretch, or however I have enough brackets for. So I'm just going to set these brackets every 8 to 10 feet or so, because these aren't going to hold the whole footing up. It's just to get it leveled out so I can connect my stakes. All right, that's pretty much it. That's all I have to do. Now, I know right here I need this step footing to be exactly 32 inches, right? So right now I'm at 38 and a half. So all I'm going to do is grab this drill and lift this. Close to 32 there. Close to 32 there. And then I'm just going to keep lifting these up. Not really level these out, but get them close. Now, my footings here are a 12-inch minimum, right? Which I've already done all the math for this. On these footings, we're sitting at about 13 and a half inches, which is good. I can't be under 12. I just want to make sure that I'm over it or at 12. So we're good here. Now that that's done, I'm going to set my laser. Once I get these set perfectly, I'm going to set my laser, and then I'm just going to carry my laser down this line, level those out, secure my stakes, and move to the next section. And I can do this all with just one person very easily. So I'm going to check this one more time. We're a little low. I pretty much just want this section right here to be perfect so I can set my laser. We're right there at 32. We're pretty good there. I'm going to go up just a little bit. All right, we're perfect. How you doing? All right, so now that I have this step footing here right where I want it, which is 2 courses, I'm going to drop that a little bit. Oop. There, I like that. Let's check this one. I like that. Okay, so now that I have that set, all I'm going to do is set my laser now so that I'm where I need to be. And I want to make sure I'm right on that spot. Get some of this dirt out of the way. Make sure I'm level. Tighten that up. Okay. I'm a little off here. I think I need to go up a little bit. Okay, so I'm perfect there. Perfect there. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go down to here, set this here. So I need to go down. So we're perfect right there. So all I have to do, and I usually carry 2 drills. You can just carry 1 drill and swap them out, but I like to carry 2. I'm just gonna set a screw here. Spot on, right? Come back to this backside. Obviously I'm high. Perfect. Grab a screw. Double check. Spot on. Same thing, I just moved down to this one. It's easy. That's all it takes to level this out. So now that that's level, I had to rip these forms out because we had a big, huge flood, washed everything out. I had to rip them out, reset them. That's why they're all muddy. They got, literally the water was, you can kind of see the water line here that came across. So I had to lift all these up. That's why they're all muddy. That's why they're all wonky a little bit. So I need to set another stake or 2 right here. I'll lag those stakes in once I do, I'll go through and I can pop these off. I'll show you with these right here. Now that we know that we're on point, I just pop this one out. Right? I can pop these out, or did I screw these in? Let's screw these in. Don't forget to screw your stakes in. And I just take these to the next section and I continue on. So to get this done, all you need is a drill, in my case 2 drills because I just don't like switching bits out, and a laser level. I don't need another 2 guys. I don't need a pickaxe to try to prop one side open, screw it in. There's no jerry rigging trying to figure out how to hold it in spots. You just set up, honestly, I think you can get away with what, 2, 4, 6. If you got 6 of these suckers, you can run a pretty good line, and you can even spread them out. You might have a dip in the middle, but if you get those points right, then you just go through and you pick up the middle of your form to match that. But overall, it makes it really easy, really simple. I absolutely love them. It is making this a breeze. I've already done probably around 300 linear feet of footing just this morning. And what, it's 11:41. So in a few hours, I've done almost 300 feet by myself of footing. And there's 1, 2, 3 step footings in there, and it was a breeze. So I highly recommend this. I'll put a link below to FabForm Industries, the people who make these awesome, awesome brackets, and definitely check them out. Definitely check them out. They will save you a lot of time and a lot of money. That's all I got for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Make sure to like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Much love, y'all.